Good morning. Now today I am going to start the fifth chapter of 8th standard SST. The chapter name is Natural Disasters. Natural disasters means for disaster means natural means God, nature, by the nature. Man, it is not a man made, created by the man made. So natural disasters about we are going to read here about the earthquake, volcano, floods, like that. Let's read. On 12th March 2011, Krishna saw the pictures of a tsunami in the newspaper. After reaching school, she asked her class teacher, "Sir, I read the news about tsunami in the newspaper. How does a tsunami occur?" Sir replied, "Natural disasters are of two types. Disasters like earthquake, tsunami, volcano occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth, whereas disasters like floods, cyclone, forest fires, drought, etc. occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth." So in this stanza here we came to know that there are two type of natural disasters. One One is occur below the surface of the earth, means earथ के अंदर मिट्टी के नीचे कोर से वाइब्रेशन से some disasters are occurring and some are occurring on the surface, माने हमारे इस धरती के सरफेस सतह से रिलेटेड कुछ डिजास्टर ऑकर होता है. Now next one, earthquake. So now we are going to read about this in this chapter. So the core of the earth, whatever the disasters occur in this world are earthquake, tsunami and volcano. And on the surface of the earth, the disaster occurs name are flood, cyclone, forest fires, drought, etc. So we can parted the natural disaster into two ways. Now we are going to read all the about the disaster in this chapter. The first topic is earthquake. Earthquake in generally we are telling in Hindi bhukap. The weak upper crust of earth suddenly experiences tremors, either due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. Waves, tremors of earthquake originate from its hypocenter, which is deep down below the surface of the earth. Such sudden shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. Earthquake waves are created on the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. Earthquake occurs due to internal disturbance in the earth. Here you maybe read some word. One to epicenter. Epicenter means earthquake. Generally, on the when the surface of the earth is trembling, that is called earthquake. So what is telling here? Epicenter means where the earthquake actually appear. Their vibrations are created. Those vibrations are, you can graph as a circular manner. It is coming out from the inside of the core of the earth, and that inside where this vibration started, that is called hypocenter. And when this same hypocenter, if you come move towards the surface of the earth, so that vibration point is called, center point is called epicenter. So epicenter is appear on the surface of the earth, whereas in the same length, if you will go to down of epicenter, the in the core of the earth, whatever the vibration, where the vibration is coming out, that center point is called hypocenter. So here the in this way. Now let's explain what is there. The weak upper crust means where the crust means the surface of the earth is very weak, there generally earthquake appears, because in the earth core is very hot zone area. There it is just like a burning of fire type of area. So many things, those who are coming very near to it, or everything will be melted. And that's why a lot of gases uh, uh, gases are also generated in that core of the earth. When these gases are generated, these gases are carrying a heavy force, and it's trying to come out from the surface towards the surface of the earth. So where, and it has great force when this surface try to come out, moving towards the ever near the surface of the earth. And if the earth crust is very weak, so those through the pores, these gases are coming out speedily, and it's create one type of vibration. The whole those areas are, because if it is very weak, so it is through this force of vibration, those areas started trembling means हिलने लगता है, जिससे कि भूकंप earthquake is appearing in this world. The weak upper crust of Earth suddenly experiences tremor, either due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the Earth. Waves of earthquake originate from its hypocenter. Hypocenter means धरती के नीचे, जहाँ से ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है वहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड हाइपोसेंटर, विच इज़ डीप डाउन बिलो द surface of the earth. Such sudden shaking or trembling is known as earthquake. Earthquake waves are created from the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. Means telling कि this high from the hypocenter, the vibrations generated, and it's moved to near the surface of the earth, and that point is called epicenter. And through the epicenter, our vibration started to spread near about places, and those places at that time started trembling due to the force. Earthquake occurs due to internal disturbance in the earth. Telling earthquake generally occurs from the disturbance, means inside of the surface of the earth. A lot of plates are there in the center of the core, fire zone is there. That's why a lot of, due to this those things, internal disturbance, earthquake appear in this world. Then you can see this diagram. In this diagram you see hypocenter force written, and above you can see epicenter, this mark downward, see hypocenter focus, because from that center point in the interior of the earth crust, this vibrations generating, and above on the surface of the earth, the same point is called epicenter. And due to earthquake, you can see this diagram, a lot of destruction occurred in this world. Now the next stanza we are going to read. The waves of earthquake spread outwards from the epicenter, means epicenter से waves started coming out, spreading out. The point on the surface of the earth exactly above the hypocenter is known as the epicenter. It is the definition of epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake is felt the maximum around the epicenter. Intensity means तीव्रता. Earthquake माने उसके vibration की speed near the epicenter is maximum. From there only our researcher, they are through the seismograph they are checking ki what are the rate of vibration. From the epicenter only the vibration can be counted. The intensity of the earthquake decreases as we move away from the epicenter. The effect of an earthquake depends on the intensity of the earthquake. We can measure the intensity of the earthquake and know its point of origin with the help of seismograph. Means seismograph is a machine through that the people are counting the intensity of the vibration speed of the earthquake. Sometime you may be heard in the news telling 5.5 reactor, 4.3 reactor, like that. Means they had measured it through the seismograph, and when it will be more count number means vibration is so fast, mean it is very destructive, सब कुछ तोड़ फोड़ के बराबर करने वाला है. If it is mild 2.21 or like that, so it is no problem. Slight vibration occurred in this corona time also. Hardly I think 1 month ago only we little bit for a second we observed this one vibration. For a second it appeared in our Mundra also. So now through the seismograph we came to know about the earthquake. There are three main reasons for the occurrence of an earthquake. First is earthquake caused by volcanic eruption, earthquake caused by strike slip faults, earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. Here at last three reasons are given ki why the earthquake occurred. There are three main reasons they are telling. Through this reason the earthquake occurred in this world. First is earthquake caused by volcanic eruption. Means if it is volcanic area where the volcanoes bursted every time, so the near about places naturally, because volcano when bursted, so naturally it is a one type of, you just see one hill is there and all of a sudden from the point of that hill so many rocks or material gases started coming out. So naturally in those areas, near about areas, vibration created, and through this vibration earthquake generated appeared on those volcanic areas also. Second, telling earthquake caused by strike slip fault. Sometimes it is some geographian they are telling in below the surface of the earth crust it is made so many plates are there. Plates means जैसे rocks, बड़े बड़े rocks के horizontal या whatever you just say slides are there, rocky slides are there. Those slides when it is through the vibration, through the force, when these slides started moving, so vibration created an earthquake appear in this world. Third point is telling earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. Means where the very near the core of the earth, where these plates are due to force sometimes sometime collided with each other and changing this place. One is going above and one is going down to it. Then those plates moving here and there, that in that way process also vibration created on the surface of the earth and it causes earthquake in this world. तो like that three reason are given in this book. वन तो earthquake caused by volcanic eruption. अगर volcanic eruption हुआ होता है तो volcano फटता है तो उनके आसपास के एरियाज़ में भूकंप आते हैं क्योंकि वो that areas were trembling at that time. earthquake caused by strike slip fault means जो plates हमारे धरती के अंदर हैं वो सारे प्लेट्स जब वो गैसेस ऊपर की तरफ आने लगते हैं तो उस गैसेस के फोर्स से ये प्लेट्स हिलना शुरू करते हैं, तो वाइब्रेशन होता है, अर्थक्वेक आता है। और कभी कभी वही प्लेट्स जब बहुत ही तेज़ी से अपना प्लेस चेंज करता है, पोजीशन चेंज करता है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाता है, तो दैट इज़ दोज टाइम a lot of forces are created and earthquake appear in this world. Now the next page, see, the center of the earth is approximately 6371 kilometer for from earth's surface. Here telling कि धरती से, हमारे अर्थ के सरफेस से जो कोर है, मीन्स हमारे अर्थ इज़ लाइक स्पेरिकल इन शेप, उसका जो सेंटर पॉइंट है उसका लेंथ यहाँ पे एस्टिमेटेड दिया है 6371 किलोमीटर. Now the next topic is volcano. Volcano, you know that you diagram you see, active volcano, it started busted sometime in Discovery Channel. You can see this one. A lot of gases are coming out, fires are there, rock particles are coming out through this way. So this volcanic area, volcanoes are not getting everywhere, all the country. It is a particular area is there where these volcanoes are existed. Sometimes it is bursting, some are not bursting. So let's see what is there in this topic. Volcano refer to an opening in the earth crust for which motion, lava, rock, fragment, ashes, dust and gases are ejected from below the earth's surface. Here telling volcano refers to an opening in the earth crust, mean the earth crust from which टेलिंग कि वॉल्केनो क्या है. वॉल्केनो हमारे जो अर्थ क्रस्ट है उसका एक अचानक कहीं से वो बर्स्ट कर जाता है, जिसमें कि बहुत सारे लावाज आर कमिंग आउट. लावा, what is lava? Lava, you can say, in the core, in the inside, below the surface of the earth, a lot of minerals, a lot of things are there which melted below the surface of the earth or near the core due to the fire, and those things started coming out, and when it is coming out, that is called lava. Then with this volcano, rocks are coming out, rock particles are coming out. With that, ashes are coming out, dust are coming out, gases are also coming out through this volcano. Volcanic eruption occur due to four main reasons. First is high temperature in the interior of the earth. Second, creation of magma. Third, creation of gases and vapor, and rising of magma towards earth's surface. So here very clearly you came to know about why the volcano erupted in this world. First reason is given कि in the core of the earth crust there is very high temperature, that's why earthquake appear. Creation of magma means magma, what is magma? कि due to this high temperature, whatever the metal, material, minerals, everything is reacted with this hot temperature. That one is melted and converted, and this melting form of these minerals and things are called magma. Third point is telling creation of gases and vapor. When so many minerals melted due to this high temperature, so a lot of gases are also generated from it. Though gases are, when you are boiling water or something, so you can see gases are coming out. That one is after coming out, it is converted as a vapor. So those gases started moving towards the surface of the earth. That's why also so many these gases, see, basically you can see forcing our earth crust, and sometimes these crust busted, and those magma everything's are coming out. Fourth point is rising of magma towards earth's surface. That is telling even magma, those minerals converted as magma, so many gases are formed, vapors are come, all those things due to heavy force moving towards the surface of the earth. And this those things, when the force are very heavy, then these forces burst the surface of the earth crust and coming out, that is called volcano. The magma is pushed upward by the gases lying under the magma. Secondly, the water percolating means वहाँ पे इकट्ठा रहता है पानी, through the cracks and opening of weak rock surface turned into vapor. This vapor is full of pressure owing to lack of space and tries to come out with great force. This vapor also causes magma to rise upward. Telling कि one more reason कि water percolated means if it you know no rocky volcano, it is a rocky area, so sometimes some rocks having cracks, and in that cracks due to this percolating water, these water existed through that cracks, and sometimes opening the weak rock surface turned into vapor, and afterward this water may be cooled down, it converted gases, suppose gases are enter in the cracks area, afterward these gases converted as a vapor, and then these vapors also forcing the rocks, and due to this process a lot of magmas also trying to rise upward, and this way volcano appear. The gases present in the magma reach near the surface of the earth and erupt with a high pressure in the form of lava, ash, gases, rock pieces of various shape and sizes, etc. And this is known as a volcano. All these volcanic residues come on the surface of the earth and form a mountain like structure. If here telling कि suppose it is not compulsory कि everywhere you will get the mountainic view, mountainic माने ऊंचा सा area, it is generally created by the volcanic eruption, whatever the materials are coming out, that one is falling collected there, they stored there, after cooling down it's created the shape of mountain. So like that, all these volcanic residues come on the surface of earth and form a mountain like structure. If the amount of gases and vapor is more and the vent on the earth's surface is narrow, vent means जहाँ से volcano निकलता है, that mouth is telling vent, टेलिंग कि इफ़ द अमाउंट ऑफ गैसेस एंड वेपर इज़ मोर, माने गैस और वेपर बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है, नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ फोर्स हो रहा है, और जो हमारे अर्थ का सरफेस का जो जहाँ से वेंट थोड़ा छोटा सा है, तो व्हाट हैपन, द फोर्स विल बी मोर, देन द इरप्शन इज़ डेंजरस. तो अगर फोर्स ज़्यादा रहेगा तो फिर क्या है, और निकलने का एरिया बहुत ही स्मॉल है, तो फिर it's created danger in those area. But if the amount of gases is less and the vent is broad and long, then the molten lava comes out slowly and spread itself on the earth's surface. नेक्स्ट लाइन इज़ टेलिंग कि अगर जो उसका जहाँ से वॉल्केनो इरप्ट होता है दैट माउथ विल इज़ वेरी vast, then तो no problem is there, whatever the things are coming out from this area, it will come out slowly. But if the mouth is very narrow, then and force are a lot of magma and vapors are there, gas are there, so then the force will be very high, and it's busted, and it will go very high to of the very high in those areas. So in this way we came to know about the volcano and earthquake. What are the reason? Both the reasons are quite similar, little bit difference are there, but force are same only. So next topic is three type of volcano, which we are going to read in the next part. Today I am ending up to here. Okay, till bye. Thank you. Take care of yourself.